Guys, to our YouTube channel, please like, say, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to install Nmap, aka network mapper, is a port scanning software that is a free hacking tool, and it is viral among port scanners for fast network discovery, alerting, and security monitoring. Nmap uses wide range of services, and it utilizes raw IP packets to check if the hosts are available in the network. Nmap is also list down to the services with critical information, OS's types of firewalls, and other information. Nmap has a console support, which is very nice. So today let's install. We're learning how to install Nmap in Termux. So open your Termux, launch it up, then we're going to begin the installation. Package install update. Update, upgrade. And as we wait, after then we're going to say package install car. Then now we're going to install Nmap. Yes, it is basically installing right now. Now Nmap is installed. Now this is how you can use Nmap to do a lot of things in Termux. You can basically use Nmap to scan anything you want. So let's do this. We're testing how it's working. Let's use this. This is my website. So as you can see, Nmap is scanning for the website. So this is a tutorial for educational purposes. Please don't use it on a site that you're not authorized. So we can see the open ports on my site, as you can see here. So Nmap, now we have basically learned how to install Nmap in Termux. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys.